In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert pictures into your PowerPoint 2016 presentation. This is a useful skill to enhance your presentation with engaging visuals, allowing you to better illustrate your points and keep your audience interested. Let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you have your Microsoft PowerPoint file open and ready. This could be your existing presentation or a new one that you're ready to start populating with some images. Now take a moment to select the slide where you want your picture to go. Using pictures effectively can not only break up long sections of text, but can also highlight key points and keep your audience engaged. Once you've selected your slide, we're ready to move on to the next part of the process. Next, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen. From there, you'll want to locate and click on the Insert tab. The ribbon is your gateway to adding a whole host of elements to your slides, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it as it can be your best friend in PowerPoint. As you click on Insert, you'll notice several groups of options appearing. We are particularly interested in the Images group for this task. Here you'll find various options for inserting images, allowing you to tailor your presentation to suit your needs. With the Images group visible, the next step is to click on Pictures. This will present you with several options via a drop-down menu, each offering different sources for your image files. In this scenario, imagine you've got an image saved somewhere on your computer that you'd like to use in this presentation. Go ahead and choose the option that says, "This device." Choosing this option prompts the Insert Picture dialog box to appear. Now let's find the image you want to include. The Insert Picture dialog box is where you'll navigate through your computer's folders and files. Take your time here to locate the folder where you've stored your image. This navigation process can feel a bit like a treasure hunt sometimes, but remember, patience is key. Once you've located the right folder, simply find and click on the specific image file you wish to use. If you have multiple images in that folder, make sure you've clicked on the correct one. Finally, with your desired image selected, you'll make the magic happen by clicking Insert. This will place the image onto your slide just where you wanted it. Take a moment to adjust its position or size as needed to ensure it fits well with your slide's layout and content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a picture to your PowerPoint 2016 presentation. With these steps mastered, feel free to enhance your slides with as many images as needed to capture and maintain your audience's attention.